guys, welcome to our channel Homelux. Here, welcome to our video on fall ceiling design. A fall ceiling, also known as a dropped ceiling or suspended ceiling, is a secondary ceiling that is suspended below the main ceiling of a room. Fall ceilings are popular choice for both residential and commercial spaces, as they offer a range of benefits including improved aesthetics, sound control, and the ability to conceal electric wiring, pipes, and other utilities. In this video, we will explore the different materials and design options available for fall ceiling and provide tips and inspiration for creating the perfect fall ceiling for your space. Types of fall ceiling materials. There are several materials that can be used for fall ceiling, each with its own unique set of characteristics and benefits. Gypsum. Gypsum is a soft, lightweight material that is easy to shape and install. It is fire resistant and provides good acoustical performance, making it a popular choice for offices and other commercial spaces. Gypsum fall ceilings can be finished with paint or wallpaper for a smooth, seamless look. Plaster of Paris or POP is another common material used for fall ceiling. It is relatively inexpensive and easy to work with and provides a smooth, finished surface. POP fall ceiling can be molded into a variety of shapes and designs, making them a flexible choice for both residential and commercial spaces. Wood. Wood is a more expensive option for fall ceilings, but it can add warmth and natural beauty to a space. Wood fall ceiling can be made from a variety of different types of wood, include pine and teak, and can be finished in a range of stains and paints to match the exiting decor. Wood fall ceiling are best suited for space with a rustic or traditional design aesthetic. Mineral fiber is a lightweight, fire resistant material that is made from recycled materials. So, it is an eco friendly option for fall ceilings at- and can be molded into a variety of shapes and designs. Mineral fibers for fall ceiling are easy to install and maintain and are suitable for both residential and commercial space. Design. When designing a fall ceiling, there are several factors to consider, such as the style of the room, the height of the ceiling, and the purpose of the ceiling. For example, if you want to create a more formal or elegant look, you might choose a fall ceiling with intricate details and patterns. This could include ornate moldings, medallations, or other decorative elements. On the other hand, if you want a more modern or minimalistic look, you might option for a fall ceiling with clean, simple lines like This could include a grid pattern with square or rectangle tiles, or a single level false ceiling with a smooth and uninterrupted surface. The height of the ceiling can also impact the design of the false ceiling. In a room with a high ceiling, you can use a false ceiling to create a sense of intimacy or coziness. This could be achieved with a multi level false ceiling, or by using a darker color or texture for the false ceiling material. Additionally, you can incorporate functional elements into your false ceiling design, such as LED lighting or air vents. LED lighting can add visual interest to a false ceiling and create a more comfortable and functional space, while air vents can help to improve air circulation and temperature control. There are several other factors to consider when designing a false ceiling, such as the shape of the room and the size of the tiles or panel used. The shape of the room can impact the design of the false ceiling in several ways. For example, if you have irregularly shaped room with the corners or angles, you may want to use a false ceiling with curved lines or contours to soften the look of the room. On the other hand, if you have a rectangular or square room with clean lines, you might choose a false ceiling with a grid pattern or straight lines to match the shape of the room. The size of the tiles or panel used in the false ceiling can also make a difference in the overall appearance of the space. Larger tiles or panel can create a more spacious open look, while smaller tiles or panels can create a more intimate detailed look. Another important factor to consider when designing a false ceiling is the color and finish of the material. Different color and finishes can create a more spacious open look, different mood and atmosphere in a space. For example, a white false ceiling can create a sense of cleanliness and brightness, while a darker color can create a more cozy and intimate feel. Another aspect to consider when designing a false ceiling is the lighting. False ceiling can be designed to incorporate different types of lighting, such as recessed lighting, pendant lighting, or chandeliers. Recessed lighting is a popular choice for false ceilings as it can be easily hidden with the ceiling and provides a clean, seamless look. Recessed lighting can be used to highlight certain areas of the room or create a general ambient light. Pendant lighting is another option for false ceiling and can add a decorative touch to the space. Pendant lights come in a wide range of styles, including modern, industrial, and traditional. So you can choose a design that fits the overall aesthetics of the room. Chandeliers. Chandeliers are a more formal and decorative lighting option and can be used to add a touch of glamour to a room. Chandeliers are typically more expensive but than other lighting options and are best suited for spaces with high ceilings. When choosing lighting for a false ceiling, it's important to consider the size and layout of the room as well as the desired ambience, and functionally you may want to consult with a lighting designer or electrician to ensure that the lighting is your false ceiling is properly installed and meets any safety standard. So guys, tips for designing a false ceiling. First, consider the style and decor of the room. Your false ceiling should complement the overall design aesthetic of the space rather than standing out as a separate element. Second, think about the purpose of the false ceiling. Do you want to create a more formal or elegant look or a more modern and minimalistic look? Do you need to hide electrical wiring or other utilities? Or do you want to improve the acoustics of the space? Understanding the purpose of the false ceiling will help you to choose the right materials and design elements. Number 3, take into account the height of the ceiling. If you have a high ceiling, you may want to use a false ceiling to create a sense of intimacy or coziness. On the other hand, if you have a low ceiling, you may want to use a false ceiling to create the illusion of more space. Fourth, don't be afraid to mix and match materials and textures. A false ceiling does not have to be made from a single material or finish. You can use a combination of materials such as gypsum and wood or plaster and mineral fiber to create a more dynamic and interesting look. Fifth, consider the lighting. LED lighting can be incorporated into a false ceiling to add visual interest and improve the functionality of the space. You can use different colors and intensities of LED lighting to create different modes and atmosphere in the room. Finally, false ceilings are a great way to add visual interest and functionality to a room with so many materials and design options available. There is a sure to be a false ceiling solution that meets your needs and personal style. We hope that this video has provided with you some helpful tips and inspiration for designing a false ceiling for your space. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.